You get in a race car, you don't give it any thought. You're just going that fast. You just sit there and do it. I've been fortunate enough to drive sprint cars for 25 years. Inducted in the Sprint Car Hall of Fame in the year 2000. I've built, I don't know how many cars. It's been something I've been doing since I was 12. When I decide to build a car, I can visualize it. I just go to work and build it. But I kind of struggled with my shoulders for over a decade. I tried stem cell therapy, cortisone. My shoulders were just not operable. I pretty much had two choices: live with the pain or get it fixed.
In 2023, Red and his doctor chose the Arthrex Univers Revers total shoulder system to treat a severe shoulder degeneration. This implant reverses the ball and socket mechanics of the joint, allowing the deltoid muscle to take over for a damaged rotator cuff. The result? Restored mobility, improved stability, and relief from long-standing pain, especially when other treatments no longer help.
After it was all said and done and I got it fixed, I was surprised it wasn't as scary as I thought. My scar is almost unrecognizable. The pain was minimal. I didn't have to take any of the medication they gave me. Before the surgery, I had to use two hands to reach and get something heavy. But now, no problem whatsoever. I have full range of motion. You know, I mean, it works good.
Love you, honey. Good to see you down.
Going to Bonneville, we went after the fuel record.
Already red, we get you at 200. 220. 225. New record, 231.
I bumped the record just to 231 mile an hour.
Got it.
So that it would give my grandson an opportunity to break my record and be a member of the Land Speed record book. The shoulder is not a problem. I'd rather go through that than get a root canal. I have my life again. I wish I had done it much sooner. It would have saved about 10 years of agony in my life. I can continue doing what I like to do, whether it's racing or just working on the cars.